Alright, here is a differential equation that you can use separation to take care of. Pretty straightforward. Basically what you want to do is get all the x components, dx and x, on one side and all the y components on the other side, and then just integrate. Sometimes your professor will just label this as y prime, just so you might not be thinking of separation. But just whenever you see that, just switch it up to this. Okay, so first things first, let's multiply dx on both sides and divide by this quantity here. So you end up with dy, and let's divide by that too. Let's just do everything at once. So you get, divide that, 1, 2y dy equals 1, 4 plus x squared dx. Cool. Okay, so you now want to integrate both sides. This one's going to be nice and easy because you can just move 1/2 out of the integral, and then you're just left with 1 over y, and that is just ln of y. So let's just go ahead and write that down. 1/2 ln absolute value of y. That's what this is. Let's see. So the other side, this kind of looks like arctan. Arctan is 1 over 1 plus x squared when you take the integral. So we want to make that look like that, and we can do that by taking a 4 out of the denominator. So when you do that, it would be 4 times 1, and it would be x squared over 4, but since we want this and this component here to be squared entirely, let's just do x over 2 squared, because that's the same thing as x squared over 4. Okay. So we can factor, let's just say that's the same, the 1/4 out of the integral. Still left with this. And let's go to the side over here. Let's do a u substitution where u equals x over 2. Just that right there. So take the derivative of that, you get 1/2 dx, and in order to get it in, we've got a dx here, so in order to make it dx, it would have to be 2 du equals dx. Cool. Okay. So just to show you exactly what's going on here, when we substitute all the u's in, and then 2 times that. Okay, so you can factor that out, and that will give you 2 over 4, which is 1/2. And then let's start making it, let's start finishing everything up here. On this side you have 1/2 ln y absolute value equals, so this is now arctan of u. U is this right over here. So 1/2 arctan x over 2. And that's your answer.